Today I built this workflow that can scrape data from real estate website, then it can extract information based on the website, then it can add into our Google Sheet, then it will generate summary of that and send to our Gmail or Slack if it is available, if this is the right fit for buy or anything like that. So let's build it. Let's again and build with. Let's save it and continue. So to extract information, we use n8n to extract or load URL, then extract information. So let's do the work. Now it is now opening website. Now click on add button. Trigger will be manually. Then we need to visit n8n.ai. Then we need to get our key rental. So I am now on Genie. Now click on a plus button and set up HTTP request. Click on this, make an HTTP request, go back to Genie, click on API, now it is loading. Here we can see, simply we need to copy this. Now we'll be on reader option. So we simply want to load website, so I am on reader option. This app also this much feature, you can try on yourself. Simply we need to copy the base. Here you can see, click on this copy button and simply copy it and go back and simply click on import from call, paste it, click on import. To extract information based on website, we simply use regulator doesn't work with GenAI, we simply use AP5 or something like water scraper. I tried, so let's try with this one, Redefine. So I can simply search this and let's simply copy this and go back to our workflow and simply paste it. Now click on execute step. Now it can give us output of this. Here you can see of GenAI. So you can also try with the real estate website or related alternate and do the work. If work, then continue this part. I find that refit and is work. Now our next work is to extract information based on the website. So we use information extractor node for this one. To extract information, simply drag the text. Now open ChatGPT to extract what type of information we want to extract. I simply type, you simply need to write a prompt. So what can I do that? Simply I paste. For generating need JSON to extract information like name, email, phone, city. Here you can see simply like this type of data. Simply copy this I think this is not copying. Simply copy this, go back, simply same and simply paste it. Now ChatGPT is write prompt in JSON to extract this type of information using this node. Now simply copy the JSON. Here you can see, simply copy, then go back to our information extractor node, click on add attribute, not attribute, we use JSON. Simply paste. And we use a model, so we use OpenAI. We also use ChatGPT also. So I use OpenAI Maverick, so I already tried, so it is working good with Maverick. So use Meta Maverick model for this one. Here I can find this Meta Llama Maverick. This is also free one, so this is great. We simply top up $5 and it gives us 100 execute daily. Also this is also so let's click on execute step and see what type of information I get and extracted from this AI. So now it is scraping the website, and then use information extractor node to extract information. Now continue the video. Something is problem on the here. Please preface take JSON. This is the JSON problem. I don't know what thing is wrong. Yesterday I tried, it is working, but now it is not. Simply I copy the JSON from here to here, simply copy and go back to our node, backspace, paste it. Okay, now it is working. Let's click on execute step. Now it will work. Now it will be work 100%. Oh no. I don't know what type of error I get. Let's change to use ChatGPT mini for this one. So I use ChatGPT. I simply use OpenAI and use GPT-4 mini for this. And simply click on execute step. If this work or not, let's see. Now it is running now, and see the output. Here you can see it can successfully give us output. let's see what type of output I get. There will be open house, price, bedroom, square feet, city, and a property type. Here you can see this type of output I get. Let's go back and simply use Google Sheet to save it. So let's create a new sheet for this one. So I go back and simply click on sheet.new and simply click on enter. Now it is opening a new sheet. Now I simply need to extract information. So let's rename. I simply type n8n real estate. This will be our what type of information I want to extract. So simply copy the from here. So let's charge every detail for this one. Write it also for Google Sheet to paste data with comma for easy pasting. Simply send it, and now ChatGPT do the work. You can simply copy the value of header and go back to in sheet. Simply paste it. Backspace, simply we need to select this all. Paste it. I think it is paste in one. Only I want to paste for all. I think this is not pasting or working like good. Comma not working for it to paste. Let's send it, and let's copy, go back to our sheet, click this one and click on backspace, paste it. You can see it can add. Now see the simply save it. Now go to Google Sheet, or you also use a split function to split. No, we simply use Google Sheet. And let's see what happened. I think it is not found. Simply type sheet and then what is API level. Click on Google Sheet. Append row in a sheet simply use this, and now find a sheet, which sheet I use. So n8n yes will be the name, and the list will be our sheet 1. We use map easy column manually. If you want to use manually, simply drag here and paste it here, but our name and everything is same, so we also use map automatically function. We also generate data from Google Sheet. Let's click on execute step and see the output. Now it can automatically map. We don't need to worry about. Here you can see it can automatically map out everything. Go back to our sheet and I show you. Let's refresh it and see what type of information it can paste it. I think don't paste it anything. I don't know. Click on execute step. Minimize API call for reference. Let's refresh it and see the output. If it is not working, we simply drag the data. So let's drag the data. Map its column manually. Let's drag price, bedroom, bathroom, area of square feet, area per square feet here, simply paste it. Address will be this one, and the city will be this one, and state will be New York, our NY. And this will be our zip code. Paste it and simply click on execute step. Save it. I think it is not working. Yes, it is work. So why it does not show anything? Oh, these are the problem of Airtable pasting. So let's go back and continue to our next step. The next step will be our we use AI agent. Let's click on AI agent. Click on AI agent and we do the simple work. Let's click on define below and use this prompt, magic prompt for get a advanced data. Simply ctl a to copy, ctl c to copy, and ctl v to paste. I think this will be undefined, I don't know. Let's add a model. Let's use open data. Let's type Maverick and simply click on execute step for only this one and see if I get any type of output. Here you can see this following prompt as generated from ChatGPT. If you don't get any output, simply drag the output from here to here. Table. I think it is not working. Backspace. Simply drag output here. Paste it. Simply click on execute step and see the output, whatever output this provide. I think open data doesn't work, so let's use ChatGPT. Let's click on this. Let's use GPT for find meaning. Let's use this one also, and we add some tool. Let's add calculator. For calculation, simply go back and we also use SERP API for internet research. Let's add another tool called SERP API for internet research. Here you can see I already added in my previous video. We simply need to add our API and everything is work. Let's see the output. Let's click on execute step. And missing or not provide correct. Could you please provide the JSON of the raw data? I think what happened this prompt. Oh. Let's provide JSON of this. Go to JSON, simply copy this, paste it, and simply click on execute step and see the output of this. Here you can see it can analyze based on the provide single data is a detail, market trend, average price sense. We have only one property, the average is 285 square feet will be 280. It calculate the approximately for 42 per square. Property size will be this, one bedroom, weekly zip code, market type cannot confirm buyer or seller, sale rate, activity, no sales. So this type of information it can provide. Now again use ChatGPT. So why use ChatGPT? To send an email if this is a correct property or buy or anything like, based on the information. Here you can see, based on the following weekly real estate market analysis. This will be subject line, introduction, highlight. Simply copy this, go back, add, simply use AI and ChatGPT. Click on message of model, click output content as a JSON, choose any model, simply use GPT 4.0 mini, paste it, click on execute step and see the output. Whatever output this can provide us. And this is the email, you can read it. Listen to our send to Gmail. Click on Gmail, send a message to, if you want to send a message from my inbox, simply click on this list clicks or create a draft. Let's send a message. Okay, simply click on this to send a message. So let's write our Gmail. gmail.com. The subject will be go to schema version and simply drag to our subject, and it will have our not HTML but text. Simply drag it to here. Let's click on execute step. Please check your parameter item, message and send. And this will have our body, everything is fine. Let's draft it. Operation will be send to this email, what name 245, no spaces, expression, and this will be also expression. Click on execute step. Oh, I make a mistake. I simply forget to do @Gmail. So I simply use forget to add a dot, and now it is sent. Let's open my Gmail and see. So this will be our Gmail. Next we save it and schedule it. You can also schedule it, like click on schedule, so it can send our data for every day. Click on schedule trigger, and the wait will be 1 day and everything is fine. Simply go back to here and edit here. Simply save it. Now let's see you what type of information I get. Simply click on this. The weekly real estate instant. Dear team, here are the real estate market highlight. Key highlight: market rate, the single ability, profit, best price, future investment opportunity with only property analyze. Investment opportunity and potential cannot be. Buyer may consider one bedroom home. So let's see if this works, and that much in this video. Let's meet in another one.